So this week's word of the week for week number 29 is aerobic conditioning. Now, aerobic conditioning is defined as physical training in aerobic activities over an extended period of time. Aerobic exercises include the following: hiking, biking, running, swimming, rowing, and much, much more. So make sure you get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 28 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have high knees. Exercise number 2, we have lateral lunges. Exercise number 3, we have mountain climbers. And exercise number 4, we have squat jumps. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 28. Here are the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have high knees. So what we're gonna do is kind of stagger our feet slightly, and then we're gonna, if you want, put your hands out in front of you and get your knees up to your hands. Try to keep your hands straight so it gives your knees a target. And then if you want to chop, go a little bit faster. Again, get those knees as high as you can, okay? Exercise number 2, we have lateral lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my feet together. I'm gonna go and extend my leg to the right or left. Completely up to you. I'm gonna start with my right. And then I'm gonna drop my hip down towards my knee and then come down. Okay, and then put my feet back together, and then I'm gonna switch. Left side, it's gonna go out. Again, drop my hip down towards my knee, and I'm gonna go back and forth. Okay, those are called lateral lunges. Exercise number 3, we got mountain climbers. So we're gonna come on down to our mats or the floor. Okay, similar to a push-up position, we're gonna have our feet staggered. One foot's gonna be back, one's gonna be forward. And we're gonna actually try to get our, kind of like a running stance, and get our knees to switch to our chest. So we're gonna run in place, again, getting our knees to our chest. And last but not least, we're gonna do squat jumps. So make sure you have your feet shoulder width apart, like you're in a box. You're gonna go in and squat down, and then explode up. Squat down, and explode up, okay? So make sure you guys get ready for a Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. High knees, get them up, get them up, get them up. And if you want to put your hands up, give yourself a target, or you can chop side to side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Remember, 30 seconds of work, my friends. Let's go, work, 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 work. Make sure you guys breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. 10 more seconds, you're doing great. Keep it up, let's go. Remember the motto, just finish, my friends. Lateral lunges coming up in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Again, extend your leg out, drop your hip down to your knee, and switch. Great job, my friends. And focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Do the best you can. As long as your body's moving, that's all that matters, my friends. Work hard, work hard. You've got it. Let's go. Doing great. All right, we're gonna go on down to mountain climbers. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, alternate your legs, your knees to your chest. Let's go. Just finished, my friends. At your own speed. If you guys can go faster, great. If you need to slow it down, step it out, that's okay as well. And as long as your body's moving. All right, let's go. Squat jumps. Your shoulders apart and drop. Explode. Explode. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Let's go, my friends. Work hard, play hard, my friends. that time. All right, 1 minute rest. Woo! If you guys are enjoying this workout, make sure you high five that subscribe button and that bell notification. Grab some water, shake out your legs, shake out your arms. You guys are doing awesome. Halfway down, my friends. Again, great thing about these workouts, limited time, no equipment, super easy to follow along. What you gotta do is have the motivation to work hard and do your best. That's all that matters. We got 15 seconds left. If you guys also want to check out Mr. Garcia's second YouTube channel, Fast 5 Workouts, you can head on over there. After the workout, you get nothing but the workouts, my friends. All right, here we go. And starting with high knees. All right, start again. 3, 2, 1, and go. High knees, let's go, let's go, let's go. Round two, my friends. Work hard, play hard. Just finish, my friends. Let's go. You got it. Seconds left. You got it. Let's go. Work. Woo! I'm definitely fun today. All right, let's go. Lateral lunges. Step to the side. Lateral means to the side. Great way to catch your breath. Let's go. Still moving. Great way to catch your breath. We got mountain climbers coming up next. Awesome job, my friends. 2 more. All right, let's go. Get on down. Mountain climbers. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Get those knees going. Push. Push through, my friend. Perseverance. All right, let's go. Quad jumps. Drop, explode. Drop, explode. Let's go. Work, my friends. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to get 20. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's go. Bonus 21. All right, my friends. Great job for completing this Fast 5 workout. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Use a virtual fist bump. Awesome job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 28. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of the workout. What was the most challenging workout? What was the least challenging exercise? Drop a comment down below. Again, don't forget you guys can drop a comment of what exercise you would like to see on future Fast 5 workouts. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Grand Slam. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here's the setup for Grand Slam. Now, as you can see, I have a basket over here. It's about 6 feet away from my cone with a pool noodle and just a paper ball. All right, so how this game is played, what you're gonna have to do is stand on the side of the cone. Now, if you are right-handed, you're gonna go and stand on the left side of the cone. If you are left-handed, you're gonna go and stand on the right side of the cone, kind of like as if we were playing baseball, okay? So I'm right-handed. I'm gonna go and step to the left of my cone. And what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to swing my hand as if it's a bat, knock my paper ball, and try to make it land inside of my basket. Now, before I can get 2 swings, I must run to my basket, run back around it, and then come back to my tee, and then set up again. So it looks like this. So I have to run around my basket, come back to my tee, get my feet positioned, feet shoulder width apart, slightly bent, and I'm gonna pop it up, and I'm gonna try to make it in. I get 2 tries, that's 1. That's 2, I'm gonna grab it, run around, come back. So my goal is to see how many Grand Slams or how many times I can get the paper ball into the basket in 1 minute. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. 3, 2, 1, and go. Around the basket, come back, you get 2 hits. 1. 2. Around the basket, come back. Almost got it. Boom, shakalaka, that's 1. Boom, that's 2. Oh, almost got it. Oh, right off the rim. Oh. And time. So for that, Mr. Garcia was only able to get 2 Grand Slams. Can you read my score? Drop a comment down below. All right, so for round 2, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to use my non-dominant hand. So the first round I use my dominant hand. This time I'm gonna use my non-dominant hand. Same thing, I must run around the basket, come back. I get 2 hits or attempts to hit my Grand Slam. 3, 2, 1, and go. Move around, back, 2 tries. 1. That's 2. Oh, boom, sorry. Oh, right off the top. Oh, close. Oh, again, off the rim. And time. So for my non-dominant hamstrings, Garcia was only able to get 1 Grand Slam. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Grand Slam. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you would have modified it, or what type of equipment you used for this activity. Drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.